Hello everyone, it's 11th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have India's Kabul mission to be upgraded to embassy, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have ceasefire takes effect as Israel forces pull back to agreed area, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have SC hints at revisiting cracker ban in Delhi, NCR, again very important news for environment related perspective. Moving forward, we have government to offer 50 lakh for clean air innovation, says Sirsa, again very important news for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have MCD schools to host skill training after class hours, very important for education related perspective. Moving forward, we have Punjab's farmers struggle to reclaim food ravaged land, cut losses amid official apathy, again very important for disaster management perspective. Moving forward, we have this editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says unemployment is still a core issue in Bihar, very important for employment related perspective. Then we have the real need is a holistic demographic mission, very important for a society perspective. Then we have crime patterns. The 2023 NCR report shows rise in cybercrime and crimes against tribals, again very important news. Then moving forward, we have killer cough syrup. This whole page is dedicated to the same news. Then it is very important for health related perspective. Moving forward, we have Taliban will not allow terrorists to use Afghan territory, says Muttaqi, again very important news for international relations perspective. Then we have series of caste based harassment symptom of Manuvadi mindset, again very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have India-China ties are now defined by competitive coexistence, says ex-diplomat, very important for international relations perspective. Then there is a difference between refugees and infiltrators, says Amit Shah, again very important for internal security perspective. Going forward, we have hydropower project on Chenab gets clearance, very important for infrastructure and development perspective. Then we have government to introduce AI in school curriculum from class 3, very important for education perspective. Then we have gold shines, equities dive in Indian investors portfolio, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have this world page. Japan's ruling coalition collapses, putting Takaichi's prime minister bid in a bind. Then we have Taliban slam violent heinous Pakistani attack in Afghanistan. Then we have Venezuela's Maria Machado wins Nobel Peace Prize. Then we have US proposes ban on Chinese airlines from flying over Russia. Violence in Pakistan after Islamic clash with police at rally. Then we have this picture. Students receive lessons in a classroom inside a concrete bunker to protect against airstrikes in a village in Myanmar. And lastly, we have Trump threatens massive tariffs on China amid Beijing's rare earth move. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.